So these are all my dogs. This is Bean Dip. Ruger. This is Ruger the Hound. Louie. It's Louie. Savage. Savage. Baby. Meow. This is my lovely Meryl. Rosie. Josie. Jojo. This is Jojo. Jojo, get here. Jojo, come here. Jojo. Have any more dogs? There's more. Somewhere. So yeah, those are all my dogs. I think I have about 6 or 8. A lot of hound dogs. Gotta be protected. Gotta protect the treehouse. Here in one of the gardens that I take care of. Enjoying another good day on the farm life. Van life meets farm life. Yeah, really no complaints. It's nice being around greens and plants and lots of love. Looking at a huge sunflower right now. But yeah, really no complaints. Just going through the motions. So I wanted to give a quick farm life meets van life update. So far so good. Weather's super nice. Currently standing under one of the greenhouses, grow vegetables and herbs at. And yeah, really no complaints. Like, life's been super chill. Lots of ducks, lots of dogs here. People coming in and out. Lots of people just doing like work for a little bit, but I'm one of the long-term employees. But yeah, really no complaints. Still eating really good, using my backpacking stove. Because I'm up here on a farm, take a shower like once a week, maybe twice a week. Still doing lots of yoga, working out. I have perfect space, peace and quiet to just work on music. And yeah, like I get to also like just research and study things, work on new moves I'm going to be doing in the future. So I'm just planning for all that, and really like business moves, not like just travel moves. So that's really exciting. But just feeling super positive, super positive, full of like love and light. Things have really been starting to come together. You know, financially I've been able to just budget my money, you know, shop smart with groceries. Been very minimalistic, so I really don't need to buy a lot of little things here and there, which is really great. And yeah, just enjoying the simple life, you know. Really can't complain. Just really having fun uploading different types of content. There's just so much to create, you know, so I hope you all are enjoying what I've been uploading. Just trying to give a dynamic batch of videos and keep y'all updated on this lifestyle. Still so grateful. It's been almost 2 months. Still very grateful. It's been almost 2 months since I've left Alaska, so super happy about that. And yeah, just gonna keep things moving, you know. If you have any suggestions, any type of videos you'd like to see, just let me know down below in the comments. Here's one of the greenhouses. A whole bunch of tomatoes and other veggies. Right there. So next up, we have a pasta salad I'm about to make. Well, it's kind of a pasta salad. It has tomato sauce, but let's get it. Shout out to Coleman. And here we are. An amazing medley of healthy food. Got mushrooms, some organic non-GMO, cherry tomatoes, hemp seeds, flaxseed oil, chia seeds, quinoa, elbow pasta, broccoli slaw. Here you go. So I just got done weeding a whole bunch in the orchard. Pretty nice and peaceful. Some people are working on a deck. But yeah, sitting here in this cool wooden chair, enjoying the sunset. So to top this vlog off, going to show you a new deck my boss's stepdad and my friend built, one of the other workers here. But yeah, this is like a decked out deck. Ooh, it's hot. Brand new sliding door. Just really need to paint it. Overlooks the orchard. Really awesome. But yeah, just want to show some clips of living on the farm. You know, pretty chill so far. Definitely go more in depth. But life's just been moving really fast, and just trying to keep up with you know, updates, vlogging, and just enjoy my life. You know. To believe I was in Alaska like 2 months ago, and now chilling on a deck, sunny Oregon. Couldn't ask for anything better, and I hope this smile really proves that. But yeah, I hope everyone just stays peaceful, stay positive, stay productive, stay proactive, just stay anything that keeps you living a positive, healthy lifestyle. And just like these amazing fruit trees, dozens and dozens of them, you too will also be blessed. Divine Zeal in paradise, signing out. Peace.